What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with a very special video. All right, y'all already know how I do it, man. Let's get straight to it. So today I want to tell you guys exactly how to get a house or an apartment with your personal or your business, okay? I want to show you guys exactly the steps, exactly the formulas to make sure that you can get to where you need to go, guys. The rent is crazy a lot of places in the world, right? In most places in the world. So I feel like it's very important, and I have to do my due diligence to let you guys know exactly how to make sure you at least can maintain a roof over your head, and then you can really focus on the money. All right, that's very important. That foundation is always very important. Okay, so on the personal side, you want to make sure that you have at least 5 accounts on your personal credit. Okay, now listen, on the personal and the business side, it's really pretty much the same. But for this video, I will explain to you guys exactly what will be the difference, okay? Because of course, on the personal side, it's few differences. On the business side, it's a few differences. But to not make this video so long, I'm just gonna let you guys know what can be done on the personal and the business side together. All right, so the first thing that you want to make sure you do, or to make sure you have, is you want to make sure that you have at least 5 accounts on your personal credit, okay, or on your business, right? Now, the reason that you want to do this is because you don't want to be like new, okay? You don't want to be fresh with no type of history that they want to track in order to approve you or not approve you, okay? You got to think about it as if it was somebody that you don't really know. Would you let somebody that you don't really know stay in your house or stay in a property that you were trying to make money off of? Or would you let somebody in there who, you know, will pay rent and allow you to buy more homes, okay? If you're smart, I know you're watching this channel, so you'll definitely pick the one where you're going to make sure that they can pay, all right? Now, you have to understand that the world operates just like that. The way you would think, that's most likely how the world operates, okay? So you have to make sure that you're diverse, and you have to make sure that you have enough accounts on your files, okay? On the business side, you definitely want to make sure your business is structured properly, okay? Your business needs to be structured properly, because that can get you in the door so much faster. It can get you like literally the best homes, the best apartments very quickly if you just have certain things lined up, okay? Not everything is about trade lines, all right? Everything isn't about trade lines. A lot of this game is about how you look, okay? How you look. When a real estate agent is going to show a house, she's not showing an empty house. He's not showing an empty house, okay? You want to create the look. So they're going to make it look like, or give a homey feel, so that they can envision themselves in that home, and ultimately they will purchase that home and buy their own furniture. But you want to make sure with your credit profile, before you go and you try to get loans, before you go and you try to get a car, before you go and you try to get a house, before you go and try to get a apartment, a condo, you want to make sure that your credit is structured properly. All right, I can't stress this enough, guys. Now, of course, in my programs, I break everything down step by step. Also, my OnlyFans is up and active. The first 10 people get 50% off the first month, okay? The first 10 people get 50% off the first month. And of course, all of my contact information and the link to my OnlyFans is also in the description, okay? I'll be posting daily content. I'll be posting so much more. This is free content, all right? Now, I know a lot of you guys understand that there's a lot of game on this content, right? And I can't hold everything in, okay? There's so much more to not only this game, but there's so much more to other things that can just make you so much more, guys. So please follow me. Please implement these steps and take your time but move swiftly. All right? Take your time and move swiftly. If you follow me, drop a check mark in the comments. All right? Now listen, you want to make sure that your personal and your business is structured properly. You want to make sure that you have the right amount of accounts. Okay? Now, on the personal side, you need trade lines. Okay? You need trade lines. And you also need rent reporters or boom pay. Okay? Rent reporters or boom pay. Figure it out. All right? If you don't want to, if you don't have a contact, you don't want to hit, figure it out. All right? But you need that because that is the rental history that will allow you to get in the door, because now they see, oh, well, you've been living at this spot for what, 2 years, 4 years, right? At paying $900, $1,200. If you're living up north, more like $1,800, $2,100, right? So you want to show that history. You want to show that good history, okay? Now, on the business side, all you have to do is just have it structured properly. You need to have at least 7 to 8 trade lines, bare minimum, okay? 5 will get you in a door, all right? 8 gonna get you a different type of luxury, all right? They need to see if you can afford it. So on your monthly statements, make sure if your spot is $2,000, you make 6. Okay? Make your business make $6,000. All right? If you want that property, when they ask for those stubs, okay, you want to make sure that you can provide that information. And literally, when your structure is no negatives, structure is proper, income is generated, there's nothing that can deny you from getting in that brand new property, okay? Or that renting that brand new apartment, that brand new condo. That's all they want to see. If that condo costs $2,500 a month, you need to be making $7,500 a month, okay? You need to be making that. Now, there's ways, I wouldn't say around that, but there's ways to make sure that that's going to happen. All right. So this free game, just making sure that you guys definitely have a roof over your head, whatever you want to be, whatever you want to make, whatever you want to do. Always remember that you can do it, guys. My link of everything is in the description. Hit me up. It's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with another video. I'm out. I also want to let you guys know that everything on this channel is for educational purposes only, okay? Everything from previous videos to this video, all educational purposes only. I'm not telling you guys to do any of these things, all right?